Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kesangma hagasngi Pyllait ula Pyllait ya ke program CM Connect. Kaban ailat yaki nong shong shnong bakin la ban Ïakren hakano kono kopor bat ke Sorkar jela. Lingba kene ke program kinong shong shnong kin ha ban shupun how helpline number khat kendai nyau pawai pan pensngau yala kijong kijing ba kijing dong kam ya ke baka Sorkar kan sale ke badan kam. Kene ke program jong Menteri Rangba Kejela ke baula treshitom ban pinyadon bentalang ya borok kinong shong shnong ha kerukom trikam ke Sorkar jela. Kene ke program kan ailat ru ke Sorkar pakan sngau tu kijing ai ya kiskim kijing trikam jong kijing syakri pa per pat kikam penroy bala pentrikam pok ke jela kum si benta jong kene ke program ke Sorkar kelabu ya ki officer nak kisnat per bakin kmi bat jubab yo ba kat kum ke por balabu ba kila ru ban Ïakren bat ke Sorkar lingba kirinsan social media pakan tup ya ke WhatsApp kene ke helpline kat kendai nya phuwe kan trikam nadu ke por prabajem step hadu prabajem miet akisan teli kitin bakan tup ya ke khasi jantia bat karo Menteri Rangba ula Pyllait ru ya ki program per kum ka make arise Meghalaya State Organic Mission 2.0 apat sam ya ke song pisa hapok ke Green Meghalaya bat ka fokus ula Pyllait ru ya ki project bayadei bat ke baha kemiat kinorep kerep keriang bat ke jing sumar ya ke meriang ke bakot hadu saus pak klor tingkah
Bala presbyterian dia bala sispa atau poin nyau hektar riulam sampai hajar nyau spa sampai Secretariat Luksken Sampulai hektar 4,30,840. Next Saipong Saibuan village 62.22 hectares 4,48,880. Check the focus sumahan yek mak check drop. Tiga bersama support sumabar kita yo check focus in yek. Third last scan. Ïakren producer group 50,000. Napo West Pasir Hills Motion Group yek MPG 50,000. Tuginya thapti nampas ini West Pasir Hills Namstoy Yadililam 1 lakh East Pasir Hills Sierra Bolaganj Habandajong Producer Group
Converge sustainable agriculture with government initiatives. It will safeguard the land and water resources. Through scientific approaches and community involvement, it will improve water availability and security. A step towards a more present future. Over the course of 7 years, this project will work hand in hand. But amidst these challenges, hope emerges. The protection of vulnerable catchment areas. Konrad Kesangma. This initiative will be instrumental in transforming lives.
That every year we will be distributing the focus money to the groups, and let me share with you, obviously you have to work. The money that we are giving you in the first tranche, you have to utilize that. You have to achieve the goals. You have to be able to be productive, because if that's not happening, then we need to guide you in the right manner. And hence, based on the performance of the groups, today we'll be releasing a tranche of 3.5 crores to almost close to 517 groups today. And as I said, in this financial year, we will cover once again the different 2 lakh families that we covered in the last 2 years, and the checks will keep going into their accounts. We'll be having programs like these in multiple locations. But how do we balance both livelihood and the ecology so that we're able to move forward in a sustainable manner? That's really what we are trying to achieve out here. And therefore, in this holistic approach of trying to manage our resource, a great and a very, very important resource for life, which is water, Meg arise is a critical project, keeping in mind that the catchment areas that are meant for Shillong and Tura are being affected due to different activities, and keeping the increase in the population of the urban areas, we require more and more water in the coming days and years. But that can only be achieved if we are able to manage the water in a much more efficient manner and protect our catchment areas. I will tell you, Meghalaya will be a shining example for the rest of the country to follow. I have always stated in every forum that Meghalaya and the states in the northeast have always been considered as states which cannot perform or do not perform. I want to get rid of that tag. And I'm telling you, we are slowly succeeding. Today, Government of India, certain departments are appreciating the way Meghalaya is moving forward. The way Meghalaya is setting standards. The way Meghalaya is innovating. And we are showing the way for the rest of the country in many fields. While many challenges are there, and it will take us time to clear and to move forward in all of them, but we have made a very good and positive start. And in order for us to move in that direction, and as I said, be one of the leading states in the country, we will all need to work together.